have it. We're going to use the Onlyfire spatulas. Probably won't use the tongs too much today. I'll definitely use the spatula. And we're going to go ahead and see them in action. I'll try a few different things, but I'm going to use this spatula. I don't need the burger press. I do have a burger press, but I don't need it. I'm going to use these. They're brand new by Onlyfire. I need these because this is a ceramic grill, so gotta have the right thing here. So make sure they don't stick. Again, it's a non-stick ceramic grill, so it shouldn't stick. So I like to move them. Oops, that one a little bit. We're gonna flip that one. That one burns good. Right there is a hot spot. It looks like. So we're gonna get under there. Found the hot spot right here. We're gonna go ahead and flip them so they're not burning. Yeah, this grill gets really hot. Again, this grill is by Camplux. Very good. I'm gonna try to keep it down on low because I'm cooking these burgers on low and they're cooking pretty quick. I am not a chef, but I do like to cook. I went ahead and put a little bacon, chopped bacon, some cheese in there, and seasoned the meat pretty good. So, yep, spatula's working good. I'm gonna put this over here. I'm gonna scoop these a little bit. Try not to cook too much, too fast. We're gonna scoot it over here. I'm gonna put some mushrooms. Yeah. Put them in there. Again, working good. Do a little water. Steam them up a little bit. I like flip them frequently so they don't burn. That one probably. Oops, sorry. I'm hoping I didn't put too much in them, but you see how it works. They work good. And a second ago, I'm gonna use this one. You'll see how. So that's my hot spot right there. Little mushrooms. I usually put some onions in there, but my wife wanted raw onions, so I'm gonna put that in there. You know, they cook up a little bit, steam up a little bit. And now I'm gonna show you how I'm using this. Whew. I'm gonna use this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use both of them. I'm gonna use that like that. I'm gonna put them in the bowl. Again, I can't wait to do some hibachi. We wanted to do burgers, so I'm gonna You know, how I use it. Work great. And they are easy to clean. We'll turn that on off. And you can see how this, you can actually use this to flip the bars if needed. Move them over here. Cook a little bit. Use this to move around. We're gonna let these cook a little bit over here. I'm gonna turn the middle one off. Move this one off for now. If I need it, I'll turn it back on. But there you have it. Onlyfire spatula set for ceramic.